How to add background photo when sharing a feed to your post on Instagram stories. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to add up a background photo when you are sharing a feed post to Instagram story. So let's just jump right into the video without any delay. For that, go ahead and launch up your Instagram and log in. Once you're logged in, head over to your post that you want to share on your story. For example, I want to share this particular post. So what you need to do is tap on this pepper plane icon, this one right here, that is share icon. Once tapped, go ahead and select up add to story. And once added, you can go ahead and select these or another one as well. I prefer this one. After that, what you're gonna do is simply screenshot your screen. Once you've screenshotted your screen, head over to your gallery and crop out this picture. You can just crop out it to this section like this. Make it to this like this and tap on save. Once it is saved, head back to Instagram again to the same story that we are about to post. Make it full screen, and once that is done, tap on this emoji icon at the top and then go ahead and select a photo from your gallery that you want to post as a background picture. Once you've selected the picture, you can zoom it out, and once zoomed out, again go ahead and tap on this emoji icon again and select up a photo for yourself, and this time select up the picture that we cropped out from Instagram, this one right here. Once it is placed wherever you want to place it, making the background, what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on emoji again, and you can select up a GIF, this one, and type in tap here, for example this one right here. After that is done, go ahead and tap on your story and post it. Just go ahead and tap on your story that you've been posted. After that, when you tap on any of this, for example this picture, when you tap on this view post, it will lead you to the post. So that is how you add up a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram stories. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.